How's it going, guys? It's Rasmus Olsen Fan 2006, and today I'm gonna be showing you and teaching you on how to make the sand railroad train tracks. Now, sand railroad train tracks is only used in the desert, but anyways. I hope you guys enjoy this build, and let's get started on the sand railroad train tracks. That's actually pretty much it on how to make sand railroad train tracks in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy this build. If you guys do, make sure you guys hit that like button down below, comment down below what you guys think of the build, and subscribe if you guys had already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Today's my 20th birthday, so happy birthday to me. Credit goes to CraftyFoxe and CraftyFoxeMC.